Hello guys, welcome to the another video. Today we will talk about since and for because we can't differentiate between them. So let's see, I will explain here. For starting point we use since. Then we will talk about starting point, we use since, and for length of time, or you can say period of time, duration, so we use for. Okay, see here. Here you can see a starting point, and here you can see a present time, or you can say end point. So between starting point and present time or end point, we have a length of time, you can say, or time period, or you can say duration, its length. So we know we use since for starting point. Here it's a starting point of something, so we use since for starting point. And for length of time we use for. Here you can see this is the difference between them. So let's see some examples. I will clear your concept. So here we have an example. You can see it has been raining since morning or for an hour. So I will explain here. Here you can see 9 a.m. It's morning time, and now present time is 11 a.m. But between them we have length of time, you can say 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. So between these point we have 1 hour, an hour. It's a duration of time, you can say, or length of time. And we know we use since for starting point. It's 9 a.m. or morning time, starting point of rain. Rain started at 9 a.m. So we know we use since for starting point. So it has been raining since morning, or you can say since 9 a.m. But when we will talk about duration of time or length of time, we use for. So here you can see it has been raining for an hour. Here we are using length of time. So for length of time we use for, and starting point we use since. I hope you got the difference between them. So here we have an example. You can see I have been living in this house since 2020 or for 4 years. Okay, I will explain here. 2020, it's a year of starting point, and now it's present time 2025. So between these point we have length of time, or you can say duration, like 21, 22, 23 and 24. 4 years between 2020 and 2025. And we know we use for time, length of time, and for duration, for a time period we use for, and for starting point we use since. So here you can see I have been living in this house since 2020. We are talking about starting point, so we are using here since, you can see. But then we will talk about length of time. Here you can see between them we have a length of time, time period, duration of 4 years. So we will use for. It can be bigger time period or smaller. It can be 1 second or 2 minutes or years. I hope you got it.